In this video, I'm going to be showing you out top 3 Eneba coupon codes or Eneba discount codes with incredible savings. So before you go ahead and go into the direct or redirect option or official site of Eneba and purchase your favorite items, will help you out stretch down the actual price so you can get incredible savings out of it. So the first website that I'm going to be providing you is actually Coupon Follow. Once you're here, just simply look for Eneba and it should be on the very first result. So as you can see, there are multiple amounts of discounts percentage that you can go ahead and use. Just simply click on show coupon code, copy that unique code, paste it into Eneba. Now the other thing or the second top Eneba coupon codes is going to be via simplycodes.com. Same drill. Once you're on the website, all you have to do is to click this magnifying glass and then again search for Eneba. Now, in here, you will be provided a specific description that you'll only get 3 specific codes that will work. So you can still use either of these options right here and just simply hit on view code and paste it into Eneba's website. Now, last option that you can do is to go into retailminot.com's official page. Same drill, on the search box, just look for Eneba and then just simply choose on the first result store. As you can see, there are also options here that you can use. Again, just click on show code and copy it, paste it into Eneba's website. So those are the top 3 Eneba coupon discount codes with incredible savings.